You may have noticed that the whole beginning of this first part was a part that we've already learned. I'm just going to quickly review the part that you already know. So starting on 2 E's with finger 4 in the left hand and 2 in the right hand, we have and then remember here, in the left hand, we use finger 2 on this E and then go to the A with finger 5. And then we go up to the F sharp with finger 2 in the left hand and 4 in the right hand, and then switch both to finger 3. If you're having trouble with any of that, go back and review lesson number 1, because all that is covered in detail there. Let's go through all that one more time before we do the new part. Let's start with the right hand. So coming out of this D, we're going to go to an A with finger 3. So from to A with finger 3. Again, to the A with finger 3, but then we're going to quickly switch that to finger 1 because we're going to need finger 3 to play this F sharp all the way up here. So again, from here, A with finger 3, switch to 1, then F sharp with finger 3. From there, we're going to play a G with finger 4, and then an F sharp and A together with fingers 3 and 5. So again, from here, notice how quick that transition is. Again, switch F sharp, G, F sharp, and A. One more time. 2, 1, 1, 3, switch to 1, 3, 4, 3, and 5. Now from the F sharp and A with fingers 3 and 5, we're going to play the A again with finger 5, and at the same time a D with our thumb or finger 1. So we have from here, we're going to hold the D, release the A, and play a G with finger 4. So from the beginning, now the right hand is going to be coming down A, G, F sharp, E with fingers 5, 4, 3, 2 in time, one beat at a time. But there are some extra notes that are going to be slipped in there, which makes this a little bit more complicated. So from here, the D and the A, remember we go to the G, and then half a beat later, we're going to release the D and change it to an E. Okay, so again, we have D and A, G, release the D, and switch to an E with finger 2, still holding down that G. So, and then we're going to go to the F sharp with finger 3, as I said before. From the beginning, and then after that F sharp, we're going to play an E with finger 2, as I stated earlier, but at the same time, we're also going to play a B with finger 1. So from here, D and A, G to the E quickly, F sharp, and then B and E. With the finger numbers 1 and 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, and 2. From the beginning of that part. And that's the whole right hand. Let's do the whole right hand from the beginning of the preview. It's time to add in the left hand. From here, remember the right hand is going to an A with finger 3, and at the same time the left hand is also going to play an A with finger 2. As the right hand switches from finger 3 to finger 1, so does the left hand. It switches from finger 2 to finger 1. So we have switch. Notice how we have finger 2 and 3, and they both switch to finger 1 without releasing the keys. Okay, again. And then when the right hand goes to the F sharp with finger 3, it's a little tricky because the left hand actually does not move. You're going to feel like you want to move, but the left hand stays on that A. So from here. And now when we play the G with finger 4 in the right hand, the left hand is going to go to a D with finger 3. So we have. Okay, and then we play the F sharp and the A while the left hand is still on that D. So it's. And now when we play the D and the A in the right hand, the left hand goes to a B with finger 5, or the pinky. So. Again. And then the right hand plays the G, the left hand stays on the B, but when we play the E, the left hand is going to go to a C sharp with finger 4. So. Again. And then when the right hand goes to the F sharp, the left hand plays a D with finger 3. And finally, the left hand is going to go to a G with finger 1 when we play the B and the E together in the right hand. From the beginning. Let's do it one more time from the same spot. And now let's do it from the beginning of this lesson. Finally, let's do the whole song from the beginning, starting with what we learned in Lesson 1 and going up to what we learned today.